Meet Bard, an early experiment by Google that lets you collaborate with generative AI.
Google has once again lifted the bar with its most recent Bard update in the constantly developing world of artificial intelligence, AI, and chatbots. This upgrade not only demonstrates the incredible advancements Bard has achieved since its start, but it also establishes it as a strong rival to ChatGPT. This video will explore the nuances of this revolutionary development and its ramifications for the state of chatbots and AI. The multimodal magic from text to images. Bard's newly discovered capacity to produce visuals in response to text instructions is prepared to wow everyone. Imagine engaging in discussion with an AI chatbot and getting relevant visuals that further the topic in addition to words. With the help of Adobe Firefly, Bard's multimodal capacity enables it to deliver an entirely new level of engagement that goes beyond conventional text-based communication. The line between words and images is blurred, resulting in a more engaging and immersive user experience. Let's scrutinize sharing and integration. However, the surprise doesn't end there. Google has cleverly combined Bard with its collection of well-known tools, including docs and sheets. Now that its inventions are immediately integrated into these crucial applications, Bard doesn't only create content, it also seamlessly contributes value. By streamlining the development and sharing of material, this integration improves productivity and teamwork. Bard is now a potent ally in creating and effortlessly integrating content which boosts the future work. Let's look into expanding Bard's horizon. Numerous new features and improvements are added in the Bard update, which not only improves the user experience, but also increases the capabilities of the chatbot. The fact that Bard can now support more than 40 new languages is one of the most notable advancements. By removing language barriers and ensuring that Bard is accessible to a wider international audience, this linguistic expansion makes AI technology more inclusive. Beyond just languages, Bard is also extending its geographic reach, with services now offered in all 27 EU member states as well as Brazil. Google's courageous action demonstrates their dedication to bringing AI to everyone and maximizing its positive effects on society at large. Let's tackle this by unleashing creativity with Google Lens integration. The way people interact with AI has completely changed as a result of the Google Lens integration into Bard. By bridging the gap between visual input and written output, this synergy enables Bard to recognize and comprehend visual material. Users can contribute photos to Bard through an immersive experience, and the AI can generate the prose that goes with them, allowing for seamless user and AI cooperation on projects like creating code from designed mockups. Additionally, the Bard update heralds the debut of text-to-speech features. User iterations now have a new dimension, making them more dynamic and interesting. Text-to-speech improves accessibility for users with a variety of needs, including those with visual impairments, by giving the AI a voice and fostering a more personalized and natural engagement. Improved user interaction and sharing possibilities. The Bard update improves user interaction and sharing possibilities in addition to improving AI capabilities. Users may now handle previous chats more effectively, start conversations with ease, and even maintain many threads at once. Due to the iterative nature of concept development, the ability to pin threads and debates guarantees that the creative process remains nimble and unhindered. Users can now share their Bard tasks with others by using shareable links, which has simplified sharing. Users can demonstrate their innovative concepts and advancements thanks to this feature, which encourages a community of collaboration, invention, and inspiration. Let's explore coding capabilities and response customization. The Bard update gives users the freedom to change Bard's responses to fit their preferences. Users can customize their interactions with Bard to suit their communication needs by changing the length, formality, and tone of their responses. The Bard update offers improved coding options for developers. A more seamless transition from AI interactions to coding environments is made possible by the ability to export Python code to platforms like Replit and Google Colab. By streamlining the development process, this improvement enables programmers to utilize Bard's features inside their coding workflow. Examining additional improvements in the Bard update. Along with the essential functions, the Bard update has added a number of other improvements that vastly increase user experience. Being able to manage previous interactions with Bard more skillfully is one such benefit. Now users can resume where they left off in a chat, rename threads, and even carry on many conversations at once. As the best ideas frequently require several sessions to fully develop, this also includes the option to pin important strands, which help create the creative process flowing over time. The Bard update has also made sharing easier to do. Sharing a portion or all of your Bard chat with others is now simpler thanks to Google. Shareable links guarantee that users may utilize Bard to promote their work, communicate their ideas, and collaborate more successfully. Users can share their creative journeys and find inspiration from one another thanks to this feature, which fosters a community of invention and creativity. Users have the option to alter Bard's responses thanks to the Bard update. Responses can now be made more straightforward, longer, shorter, formal, or informal, with the addition of 5 new options. Users can customize Bard's responses using this feature, resulting in a more personalized and fulfilling relationship. Bard's new ability to export Python code to Replit in addition to Google Colab is a significant advancement for developers. With this extra export functionality, developers may more easily integrate Bard interactions into their favorite coding environment, improving the programming workflow. Let's examine multimodality. The multimodal capabilities of Google's AI systems is one of the main benefits it has over ChatGPT. In other words, Bard will be much more than just a language model. Language, visuals, music, and other sensors will be all integrated. To use their article's title, Introducing Pathways, a next-generation AI architecture, where they debuted their Pathways machine learning model training system. There is a lot of potential in the multimodal capabilities. A deeper and richer final product results from the capacity to synthesize information from several sources. It might also be used to make things more accessible. Additionally, it would unlock the power of cell phones, increasing our ability to search using movies and images. Thanks to the content indexed in their search and on YouTube, Google already has a sizable library of multimodal information to draw from. Without a doubt, ChatGPT is outstanding, and it does a great job of explaining ideas. But can you picture posing the question when you provide Bard code and it aids in visualizing the many parts? Multimodal capabilities don't just add to the utility of a system, they increase them exponentially. Bard now has access to working with photos, a feature that was just recently made available to the general public. This function is revolutionary since it enables users to utilize both text and photos in their talks with Bard. With this update, users' interactions with AI will now have a new dimension of imagination and originality. Notably, this development signals a significant change in the AI field and illustrates the fact that there is no one-size-fits-all AI technology. Each tool has particular advantages and disadvantages that are suited to particular uses. Bard excels at quickly and effectively searching the internet for information, sometimes outperforming other AI models. With the addition of over 40 more languages in this most recent upgrade, Bard has become even more adaptable for a worldwide audience. Beyond linguistic capabilities, its improved picture recognition talent opens up a wide range of applications. Bard is a potent tool for tasks like picture analysis, article development, and more now that users may input images to interact with it. Notably, Bard distinguishes itself from other AI models by its capacity to summarize search results. Another underrated aspect of Bard is its coding prowess. It may not have the same reputation as ChatGPT in this sense, but it can nevertheless produce useful code for a variety of applications. This is demonstrated by instances when people have successfully remade iPhone timer web pages and apps using codes supplied by Bard. Even though it might need some modifications and changes, Bard's ability to help users with Swift UI coding highlights the potential of its coding skills. To sum up, Bard's most recent upgrade, which added multimodal features that enable picture interactions and increase its language support, represents a turning point in the software's capability. It is becoming a versatile tool for a variety of applications thanks to its developing strengths in internet research, picture analysis, and even scripting. The AI field is quickly changing, and Bard's development highlights the distinctive advantages each tool offers. Bard's reputation is certain to grow as users explore its capabilities, revealing its actual disruptive capability in the field of AI. What other features or advancements can we expect in AI-powered assistants in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments section.